Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because what has been ambitious and message for today in a good condition. The Honorable Miss Hanifansky is the examiner and instructor on this video on this occasion, and my friends who have watched this video, I say thank you very much. Professionally, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dimas Nuril Akbar. You can call me Akbar. I am from Faculty of Engineering and my class Informatika 2022B, and I live Kaliangat now. This is Mr. Fajri. Mr. Fajri could introduce himself.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Akbar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajri Ainur Rahmat. You can call me Fajri. I'm from Faculty of Engineering, and the program study is Informatic.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Fajri.
Yes, thank you very much.
And here I want to present of my project. My project is a tutorial about how to turn on a computer correctly. Okay, this is my video. Okay, hello everyone. I would like to explain to my project here about how to turn on a computer correctly. Okay, as technology advances, the process of turning on a computer feels faster. Even so, there are a number of things you have to pay attention to when turning on the computer, so that the hardware inside is minded properly. First time, connect the computer to electricity. The first thing you have to do is make sure all computer components are connected correctly. If so, all you have to do is connect the computer to electricity slowly and carefully so as not to get an electric shock. The second, make sure the keyboard and mouse are connected. The next step is to check whether the keyboard and mouse are connected correctly or not, because if the cable is not plugged into the computer, the mouse and keyboard cannot be used. However, as technology develops, wireless mouse and keyboard are not available, so you don't need to bother with messy cables. However, to ask if for the first time, the computer must be turned on first because it will be connected via Bluetooth. The third is turn on the monitor. If everything is connected, now you need to turn on the monitor. The method is easy. Just press the power button on the monitor, which is usually located on the bottom left side of the screen. If the indicator light on the power button is on, it means the monitor is on. The fourth is the turn on the CPU. Hey, even though you have turned on the monitor, you can use the computer because the CPU is still dead. For this, you need to turn on the CPU by pressing the button which is generally on the front or back. This depends on each computer manufacturer. Okay, the next, wait for the boot process. After the CPU button is present, the computer will automatically turn on and boot. If your computer is still using the old Windows OS, the booting process will take quite a long time, so you have to be a little patient. But if the Windows OS on the teacher's computer is the latest, such as Windows 10 or 11, the boot process is fast. In fact, in matter of seconds, the computer can be used immediately. The C computer is ready to use. After the boot process is complete, the teachers must enter the computer password if using it. Otherwise, the teachers will go start on the desktop. Now, the computer is ready to be used to do assignment, work, or play online games.
Okay, thank you very much because we have watched my video, my tutorial, my project. That's the presentation for me. More or less, apologies as much as possible. Next, Mr. Fadji will explain to project. Please, Mr. Fadji, you explain your project. Okay. Yes, thank you, Mr. Akbar. I want to explain about how to turn off a computer correctly. Okay guys, this is my video. Okay guys, how to turn off your computer correctly. After understanding how to turn on a computer, now is the time to know how to turn off the computer properly. The method is easy. See the description below. First time, close the application first. Before turning off the computer, the first thing to do is close a number of applications that have been used. For example, the teachers have just used Google Chrome and Microsoft Word, so before turning it off, close both application first. Please remember, when closing Microsoft Word, make sure your work assignment has been saved. Don't forget, because the file you have worked on can be lost after turning off the computer. The second, click the power button. If all applications have been closed, now the teachers just have to turn off the computer. The method is very easy. Follow the steps below. Click the Windows logo in the left corner of the screen. Move the cursor of the power section. Because you want to turn off the computer, click shutdown. If you want to restart the computer, then select restart. If the computer has not been used for a while and must remain standby, please click sleep. And the third, wait for the CPU to turn off. If the computer is dead, now the tickers wait a few moments until the CPU also turn off automatically. To find out whether the CPU is dead, it's easy. Usually around the CPU button there is a light indicator to indicate whether the CPU is on or off. If the indicator light is still on, it means the CPU is still alive. However, if the computer is turned off and soon the indicator light goes off, it means the CPU is dead. The fourth, turn off the monitor screen. To save electricity, don't forget to turn off your computer monitor. The method is easy. The ticker just press the power button on the monitor. Usually, look at in the bottom right corner if the indicator light goes off after pressing the power button. It is a sign that the monitor is dead. Okay, thank you very much guys. Because watched my video, that's the presentation from our group, and I am Mr. Fajri Rahmat.
And I am Mr. Nimas Akbar.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
Goodbye.